Today I'm going to show you how you can send a fax message in Redmi A3. So on your first step, open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show again this 3 credits banner, you have to restart the application. Click on the plus and choose Source over Document. I'm gonna pick the photo. Now you can add a shape to your document or the picture. Then you can choose the file type for the photo. Choose the country from the list and type the number in this place. To send the message, just click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.